Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically remove watermark from the CapCut PC app. So I can't really show it to you because I've logged in, but basically when you export there's going to be a CapCut watermark here, and take that to export it without watermark, you're just going to log in to your CapCut account. So go to menu, go back to homepage, and then log in to your CapCut PC app. And that's how you can remove the watermark. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share it. Thank you. Goodbye.